Okay, so I got it all. And it might be loud because my grandma's doing the dishes. So then you got... Oh, the rice! Ew, it's all squishy. So, you got that. Okay, now you make this thing. This is where you take out your little package. Never mind, there might be 4 or 5 parts. So, oh, the yellow ones smell like pineapple. You know what? Hold up. Get scissors. Ow! That hurt. I hurt myself. Hit myself. Something's wrong with me. Ah, there you go. Oh, darn it. Am I stupid? I'm so stupid. I should have done this first, huh? So stupid. Grape. It smells like a haichu. Take this out. Wash your hands before you play with your food. Wow, I suck at this. This might take me a long time because I'm so stupid.
The heck you doing?
Cooking.
Which one, Alex books?
Under the pillow. It's a dolphin or something.